Hello friends. Welcome to today's class. My name is IROKOPRESS. Today I will teach you how to change your LinkedIn business page URL. In your LinkedIn personal account, click on your profile icon. Move down. Click on your LinkedIn business page. Click on Admin Tools, and scroll down. Click on Edit Public URL. Type the preferred name you want to use. Click on Save. You have succeeded in changing your LinkedIn business page URL. See you in my next tutorial. Thanks for being with us in today's class. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click on notification button for more advanced tutorials. Thanks for watching.